Hello everyone, let's cut it out. We're going to cut out this the images on this Trader Joe bag. In my previous video, I stated that you could cut up a Trader Joe's, gift bag or anybody's gift bag. This isn't a gift bag, grocery bag. And I didn't have one on hand at the time, and now I do. It says please use both handles, and I am. I'm going to take this off because y'all know I don't want it to go. I'm going to reuse the handle somewhere. You will see it in my glue book. Yeah. All right, so that's a start right there. All right. Now this is a noisy video this time. People enjoy the noise, some people don't. Oh, I want a little bit of that steam. Get the music notes. I can use some of this as the background. Recycle the rest. Where's the bag? My desk sits really, it's a small, very tiny room. And I have a chair, a reclining chair that sits beside my desk. And I swear it's like being in a car where you'll drop things in between the console and your chair, and you cannot get to it anymore. It's gone. It's lost. It's just like that. It's so hard when things fall down between my desk and my chair. Now, Joe to the World. I think I may keep that like that for right now, and then I'll take it from there. Yeah, we'll do that. Just keep that there. Keep that there. I really like this cup with the steam, because I love my coffee. That looks like hot cocoa. Where's your favorite? If you shop at Trader Joe's, sometimes where's your favorite thing to get? I know me, I like to get the spinach paneer. And you have to watch Trader Joe's. That food is fattening. So I don't go quite often and get it. But when I do, it's the spinach paneer, which is not very good on its own. I eat it with the jasmine rice. I gave it to someone and it was like, oh. They did like it. But you eat it with the jasmine rice. Now, it's not for everyone. I guess you may not like it. If you like Indian food, which I love, I don't know if it's authentic or not, but it's good. I like it over jasmine rice. And they have the jasmine rice. You can make it your own there. I'm going to keep that like that. I really like that. If you can't see. Am I in frame? Guys, am I sitting here in frame? And what else do I like there? I like these dunkers. You have to watch those two because they're ice. The ones that have ice in them, I forgot what they're called. And I also like this quiche with it. What kind did I make? I forgot. Now I can make my own quiche. I don't know why I have to. That's just being lazy, but I like that. And even though I make a killer macaroni and cheese, the macaroni and cheese is pretty good, and that's once in a while. Yeah, and that's it. And you can make a journal out of this. Now, when I was growing up, we had to cover our books, our textbooks, with what? Paper bags. And we used to draw and all kinds of doodle and have it was some fantastic artwork. I wish I could have gone back and kept all my my covers and the covers of my covers from my classmates too, because wow, there was some fantastic artwork on it. Some people did keep theirs and made it into little journal books and stuff like that. But remember, I think nowadays you can still do that, or do they still make them cover their books? See? I know that's just taking me back. Just put a piece of cardboard in here, that cut it down, and there we go, a little journal book. I may hold on to that, maybe something show you guys. But alrighty, friends, that's all I have for you today. I just wanted to come by to cut up the Joe grocery bag. Get the labels. I mean not the labels, the handles. Thank you for stopping by, and I will talk to you.